Hi, welcome to this video. I am your coach, I'm Razak Yahya. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can boost your traffic, your website's traffic for free without hiring SEO experts or waiting for a years for Google robots to crawl your web pages, your posts. If you're a blogger, your aim is to let people come to your website, have a numerous traffic on your website reading your blog posts, because as they are doing that, they will buy your product or use your services. They will buy your affiliate product or service, thereby increasing your revenue, boosting your leads, making your website rank higher on search engine results. Without further ado, let's jump right in to start discussing with you how you can make your website rank higher. These are the tips. The number one tips is choose a very popular niche. There is nothing wrong with choosing a niche. A niche should be well chosen based on the type of what you like to blog about. If you are not very professional in the type of field that you choose to blog about, you may quickly run out of idea. You may not know what to blog about to your audience in the future. You may not know how to do keyword research for your blog post because you are in the wrong niche. If you are familiar with the niche you have chosen, you like the niche, even if in the night you like to blog about your niche, that is when you will rank higher on search engine results. Being the number first tip on how to rank higher on search engine in this list, the number one is choose the right niche. Choose the right niche. Choose the right field. What do you want to blog about? What are you interested in? What do you want to blog about even if you are not getting paid? Even if you sacrifice your time in the night blogging without caring to know you are spending time for that. This is the field you want to choose. You need to choose this from your childhood age. When you were a child, when you were a teenager, what did you like to do? What did you spend most of your time on without taking care about your time being spent? What do you want? What do you like to spend your money on without feeling care? These are your niche. For example, if you are a type of person that wants to design websites, I'm not saying this because I'm a web designer, it's an example. If you are a type of a child that used to design websites, even if it's a night, even though you don't get data, you strive to get data from friends, from family members, in order to be able to get connected to the internet, and to be able to design websites for yourself, for your friends, or for others. This is your niche. You have to penetrate on it. You have to infiltrate it to know more about it. If you get more idea about web design and management, you can create a blog about it, make it your field. Here you blog about it every day, every night, every time, 247. Any of your topic is titled, any of your blog posts is titled how to do this thing on the website, how to do that on the website, how to design the website, how to manage your website. By blogging about this type of keyword frequently will make search engine operator get noticed about your website, and they will start ranking you high on their search results. The number two step on how you can make your website rank higher is keyword research. Do a proper keyword research before you create any blog post or any blog page. If you want to create a blog post, do a keyword research. For example, you can go to your web browser and look around, search about what you want to write about on your blog. For example, if you want to write article about best web hosting in the world, then you go to the website, to the web browser, Chrome, for example, Google Chrome, and type in best web hosting in the world. You will see the see also section, frequently shared results. You will see them. Browse the internet. You can go to that website and check how they created their blog post, how people are interacting with the blog post being created, the sharing rate, the comment rate. You will see all this data, then you determine how you are going to create your own content. If you create a content using this strategy, people and search engine will love it. People will love to read it, share it, and search engine will love to recommend it to other users by ranking you high on the search engine results. That is the number 2 on how to make your website rank higher. The number 3 is you co-author a blog post on another blog. What I mean about co-authoring here is go to another blog that relates to your niche and post a blog post on their blog for free and link it back to your own website. Create a blog that is beneficial to their users and try to get a backlink from them to your own website or blog. How you do it is co-author. You co-write article, you co-write a blog post by contacting a blog owner that I like the field of your website, I like your field, I like your niche, and I want to be a part of your writer. Just allow me to write an article for you, 3 or more articles, then you give me an external link from one article. I'm doing this in order to rank my website on search engine results. You can tell him like that, or you can just request him to enable you add an external link from their own website to your own website. The number 4 on how you can make your website rank higher on Google search engine results or any type of web browser result is post frequently. If you have started off, you need to post frequently, post regularly. Some bloggers suggest that you should post 1 time in a month, 1 time in a week. No, if you are a new blogger or a new webmaster and you want your website to rank higher on search engine results, what you need to do is post regularly. Post like crazy. Post more than 2 times in a day if it's possible. Make your blog post that you are writing, make it higher, make it long, make it contains thousands of words, and make sure it is educative, it is informative, it is step-by-step and beginner friendly for your readers to be able to consume. Make all the steps that you outline in the article understandable. Don't write article very long for the sake of getting thousands of words. It's not good. People will get annoyed after reading your article if they don't find any value in it, and if the people are getting angry with your blog post, they'll quickly bounce back from reading your blog post, and this will make search engine know that your website is not worthy for people to visit. Hence, they will degrade your ranking on search engine results. If you are ranking at the number 3 before, they will degrade you to number 4, they will degrade you to number 5. Before you know, your website will not appear on search engine results anymore in the future. For you to improve your ranking on search engine results, you need to add value to your article, care a lot about your visitors, don't care about how you can rank higher alone. One thing I know about the business is deliver your product better and faster. Don't try to sell your product or service. If you sell your product, if you have the mind of selling your product or service to your users, once they know, they will not buy. What you need to do is help them faster, easier, help them know better, help them solve their problem. That is when they will use your product, they will use your service or buy your product. And the best part is that they will not know the time they are going to buy your product or use your service. But before you can achieve this, you have to first offer them better service, faster service, before they will commit buying products or buy something from you. Like as I was saying, you can use the best thing you will do to make people love your product or your service. I know this is out of topic, it's off topic, but I need to discuss it in this video as a digital marketer. You have to offer your product or service better and faster to your website visitors first, before you show them that you have a product or service that they need to buy. You don't even need to tell them buy my product, use my service, use my tools. You don't need to tell them by yourself. Once they have started benefiting your free services in a better way, in a faster way, then they will look for a way that they should help you as you are helping them, because this is a human. If you help human being, they'll try another way to help you. Your role as a webmaster is to help your visitors get found what they are looking for on your website. Provide them free services. In your blog post, provide them step-by-step guide. Once they have started reading your articles, your aim as a blogger or as a webmaster is you shouldn't allow them to go and read another website. Once they have read up your own, make them become completely knowledgeable about what they have read on your blog post. If you let them go to another website, they may find that website interesting, more interesting than you. Hence, they may buy their product or using their service, which may decrease your sales, decrease your marketing. If you provide a wonderful user experience for your visitors, search engine will know, because you must have a low bounce rate, and a low bounce rate means you are providing a good service for your visitors on your website. Hence, they will rank your website higher and higher on their search engine results. And in other words, if you don't provide a good quality service for your users, for your visitors on your website, they will quickly bounce back, which means you will get higher bounce rate. A bounce rate is calculated in percentage, 0% to 100%. The higher your bounce rate, the higher the interest of your visitors is not on your website. If they are interested on your website, they will not cause you to get higher bounce rate. Instead, they will make you get lower bounce rate. The best lower bounce rate according to a digital marketer is 30% and downward. Anything above 30%, 40%, 50% is considered not friendly. You should not try to get a higher bounce rate. And another way you can make your website rank higher on search engine is user experience. The design of your website, the front end of your website, is not only the front end, also the back end. How are you responding to your website visitors? How can they easily navigate across your website? All these are accountable in terms of making your website rank higher or rank lower. If your website is navigatable, its design must be friendly, it must be inviting for people to interact with your website. For your website to be navigatable, you must have a navigatable menu, a friendly user experience, a friendly design. It must not have too much text that scares people away from using your website. This is not a good user experience. A good user experience contributes to a higher website ranking. Makes your website, the front end design of your website, makes it look amazing, makes it look professional. Don't let it look badly. It will scare your visitors away. For you to do this is hire a web designer to design your website for you. There are UI UX designers there. You can hire them by visiting the online job hiring website. Is to hire an expert from there to help you design your website, makes it look professional, in order for people to retain on your website. Present all what you offer on your website to your visitors. Makes your website understandable in the first 5 seconds of your visitor landing on your website. Don't let them ask you before they can know what you are offering. The design of your website speaks. For example, if you are an engineering, a contractor, a builder, and you have a website, once people have landed on your website, it's good for them to know which type of website you are managing. Your website should not contain a library, an office, unless it can contain your office, but it should be understandable that this is an office of an engineer. Yes, it shouldn't, because it shouldn't contain a library where the books are stored, because it makes your website look like a librarian website, which make people look different. Okay. Another way that you can make your website rank higher is, I hope you have found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this channel and share it with your friend. Give this a thumbs up, give it a like, in order for us to reach more people. I need your help. I really need your help. Please help me reach more people by sharing it with them. Subscribe to it if you haven't subscribed yet. It's a kind of help and it costs you nothing. Please comment with any question you have to ask via the comment section. I'll be glad to help you by replying to your question until you are interested. My name is Razak. I am a blogger from fastknowers.com. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, as you are going to subscribe and share it with your friends.